How's it going, everybody? Matt from ISC here. Today I'll be showing you how to grease the pillow ball on your rear lower control arms. It's important to apply grease to the pillow ball of your control arms to keep things lubricated and prevent your pillow ball from squeaking or making any noise while you drive. So first step, you'll want to take out these spacers. These will allow us to get access to this rubber boot and what's behind it. So you're going to take your grease and stick it in this rubber boot, making sure you're kind of far back in there. Then you're going to just go around and squeeze it in. Once you've got it all greased, you can go ahead and install your spacers. And now your control arms are ready to install.